Anyway, yeah, we're here, Petit Le Mans, doing some film. I'm taking this off. I didn't realize I looked like a scarecrow. Now I look like a choir boy. Like I churn butter. Alright, so we're here, Petit Le Mans, first day. I did a session earlier today, taking photos. Yeah, so now we're about to go to turn 3. I'm here with the Thunder Bunny crew, and me and the other media guy are about to go to turn 3, get some shots over there. Turn 3, here with Ryan, FP1 Visuals, Thunder Bunny. We're gonna get some curb hops. He's getting video, I'm getting photos. This is gonna be a banger spot. So, we're gonna be walking back down to the paddock. I've been getting some stuff. That was practice 2. We got some pretty good stuff. We have one more session. We have a quali session. We're gonna do that from the roof since we didn't do that this morning. So we're doing a quali session from the roof and then track block. So I'll be recording more than then. But the reason why I'm not recording as much is just because I want to make sure I get the shots that I need to get, the check-off shots. But we're going down to the paddock to go take a look at the WeatherTech paddock. It should be done being set up by now. So we're gonna go down there. No, wait, it's Miss Vicky, hold on. Yes, ma'am. How are you doing? That was Miss Vicky. But I actually met her at the HSR race with the 767B, and she's been keeping up with my photography career ever since. So she's an OG. She's a legend. Hey, pro driver Alan, you want to say anything for my vlog?
I'm not a pro driver.
Oh. Okay. Anytime I get to walk Road Atlanta, I'm gonna take it. It's a gorgeous track. And it's a good walk. I mean, not like I haven't been walking all day, but beautiful track. Stunning track, even. But I went off and I was doing some photo stuff, and my squad left me. So I gotta hoof it to catch up to them. The wedge. Here, day 2, Petit Le Mans. They're doing practice right now. This looks like TCR practice, Pilot Challenge practice. And then there's going to be IMSA WeatherTech practice. So I'm excited. I'm going to get into a spot and then we're going to keep going. So. In location for the race 1 VP challenge. I feel like I've done a shit job of recording, just because I'm trying to do so much too. I'm also trying to stay focused while I'm doing, you know, my job. Got me a nice little Thunder Bunny hat here. But yeah, went and did up turns 1, turns 2, 3 into 4, the S's, getting them curb hopping for IMSA practice. And now I'm over here at turn 10. We're gonna get some fun shots. Brought the scooter, lifesaver today. I would have never made it in time, but I got time to set up, kind of plan what I want to do. But I'm thinking like on this shot right here, kind of get them coming in for a second, and then as they come up, I can get some good stuff. And I'm gonna be able to get tons of different angles, and it's a 45-minute race, so I'm gonna try and go down here, and then I'm gonna get in this corner here, get in that corner right there, and then move down a little bit. You get some good stuff, them flying by. So yeah, dude, some great stuff. This is such a beautiful track, and the weather is fantastic. So yeah, let's get some good shit. Good old safety car right now. We had a little incident. Thankfully it's on us. We're fighting real good. We're in this fight. One of the guys messed up on the start, so we were in P3, but they ended up getting the position back about 4 or 5 laps later. But we have a shot. We have a real good shot at this. Thank you, dude. Dude, this is such a good spot. Such a sick spot. Pre-race, we got race 2 of the VP challenge today. We're here with Alan. Another good shot for the podium. What's up, man?
How are you?
Doing good.
It is 6 in the morning. We're heading to Petit Le Mans. I can't believe I get to shoot this as a member of media. That's crazy. Shout out Thunder Bunny. Worked for him all week and I only got this cool hat. I'm just kidding. They paid me. So, but yeah, they gave me a hat. It's pretty sick.
Is here. Why? Because Michelin is the official tire of IMSA, and it serves as the exclusive tire provider for the WeatherTech Sports Car Championship GTP, LMP2, and GT Daytona classes. Michelin also supplies the tires for all the classes.
All right, we're here. Petit Le Mans day, dude. I'm so pumped. Well, why are you over there? Follow my face. I am so pumped. We're just counting down the time now. I got here super early in the media parking spot just because I knew it was going to be hectic. already getting reports that traffic is crazy right now. So I knew it would be crazy getting in. That's why I'm glad I got here early. So now, yeah, had a little cars and coffee show. Got to see a Veyron as well as some MR2s. GT, the new Mustang is pretty sick. There's also BMW. There's a AMG, Ferrari. What else? A few Astons, Porsches. So good stuff. All right. We're here, pre-grid walk, Road Atlanta. We got a good group of fans back here waiting to get released. We're waiting on all the cars to go right now, so they're all going to be along the pit lane. And then they're going to do one recon lap kind of to get everything situated, and then they're going to come down the grid right here. And it's going to be a good time.
Let go.